So after 5 years and 44 mods and repairs, I'm selling my trusty 350Z. Why is that? Well, I've just done as much as I want to do with the car, really. And I just want to get some more cash to do a new project, really. If I sell this and I can get another car, and I can have more content for the channel, and I think that'd be exciting. I've returned the car back to factory spec as much as possible. So the sat nav is back in now, which I took out, and the boot's been restored back to how it came from the factory. You may notice that I've fitted black seats. The car came with orange seats, and I always intended to change them out because there was a bit too much orange in the car. And I think this is a nice balance now. And my hand was kind of forced because I stored one of the seats in my shed, and a rat ate the kind of material. So yeah, that encouraged me to get that done. Obviously all the work I've done to this car are in videos on my channel, but I'll put a link up for my most recent video, which is the 44 repairs and mods video, which shows everything I've done in like a nice little montage. I'll also put a link to the advert in the description box if you want to check out the car and are interested in buying it. What I'd like to hear though are your thoughts on what I should buy next. Let's say we've got a £10,000 budget. That's to buy the car and repair it and modify it. What do you think I should get? I'm curious. I'll do a separate video reading out everyone's suggestions, and we'll go from there.